If you are an employee, a small business owner, or a large company CEO, or a practitioner like me, chances are you are going to suffer during an economic crisis. Lebanon is facing these days the worst economic crisis. Yes, I prefer to call it economic and not financial crisis because there is no such thing as financial crisis. If the economy was healthy, Lebanon would not have experienced a bank rush and shortage of US dollars in the market and the recession thereafter. Now, I'm not the expert in monetary policies, and I'm not even close to understanding how the financial institutions and the regulators work. Truth is, I don't want to know. The thing is, businesses suffer the most because they have overheads and the whole economy cycle is affected. They would be affected so. If you sell goods, for example, chances are you are not able to import due to capital control and limits enforced by the banks. Knowing that corruption and the geopolitical circumstances all contributed to this situation, I'm not here to talk politics. I'm here to talk about how we as individuals could have reduced the impact and even reduced the probability of this happening. So as a business, what have you tried so far? Reduced your costs, both direct costs and overheads? Reduced salaries? You let go of some or many of your employees? You closed a branch or two, you renegotiated your rent, you stopped marketing and other investments. You might be right at starting there, but do you really think this will get you through the situation? This will buy you some time probably and may increase your chances of survival, but how are you really going to survive? Well, first you have to accept the fact that these are rough times, so you should accept the following. Price everything in Lebanese pounds. Double your value offering and triple your customer care. Reconsider into traditional marketing channels and generate leads differently. Go visit your clients more often and stay in contact with them. The customer will remember you after the crisis and how you treated them during the crisis. Did you raise your prices? Did you tell them cash only? Did you stop answering their queries? If you are buying your raw material from abroad, did you try to buy locally? Have you set money aside for times like these? Are these in cash or at the bank? Can you buy locally manufactured products and sell them abroad so you will inject fresh money back? Think of what you can do now to your customers that your competition is not and will not and cannot provide in times of crisis. I have offered a 12 weeks free coaching program for managers and leaders. I have even offered my free Positive Yes attitude for companies for free. Why? Because they will remember me and what I have gave back to the community at the time when this is all over. The good thing about this crisis is that we as Lebanese people, including me, we know how we have to revisit our lifestyle for the past 30 years. We consumed more than we earned, and we wanted to compare ourselves to others by having more than what they have and showing off and not thinking about the contingencies for the future. We got loans to get married, we got loans to buy houses, we even got loans to travel. We produced nothing, we imported and consumed everything. We wanted to drive the most luxurious SUV, even if you cannot afford maintaining it. We wanted to travel 4 times a year. We wanted to show off and wear luxury brands, even if our salary won't permit it. We wanted to buy the newest iPhone just to show off. Taking a loan to buy a phone is the dumbest thing ever. We all want to smoke cigars and party every day of the week. We all have foreign nationality maids and refuse to accept the fact that our income does not permit to live like kings. The majority of us spent and did not invest, spent and did not save. I love the saying, if you cannot afford it twice, you should not be buying it in the first place. So I hope we get out quickly from this recession, and after we do, I would like you all to reconsider and reflect on how to live and how to work going forward.